want to, but I'm so tired. Oh, I'm getting kind of tired now, too.
Timmy has the yawning disease. I'll get him. Yawning is an extremely contagious disease. If you hear someone yawning, you must get out of there immediately, because if you catch the yawning disease, you'll be eliminated. Everyone, here are your ice packs. Pressing a cold compress against yourself will help prevent you from yawning. These are only preventative measures, but if you catch the yawning disease, there's no cure.
All this talking's making me tired. Oh.
Jimmy has the yawning disease. Everyone out!
Hey, babe, you okay? I know Jimmy was your best friend.
Yeah, I think I'll be okay. I'm just really tired.
Oh.
Brianna, is everything all right? Why are you running?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm a little tired.